Hi, I'm Matt Wilms, and I'm president of Quant9 Software, and we developed the Investment Account Manager software program. Designed by professional money managers and used by investors worldwide in related forms since 1985, the Investment Account Manager's purpose is to help you better understand and manage your investment portfolios. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just a novice, you'll find IAM to offer a comprehensive set of features, yet is easy to learn and use as a portfolio management software tool. In today's review, we'll be taking a look at the IAM homepage. The Investment Account Manager homepage displays a summary of information for the currently active portfolio. The currently active portfolio is indicated with a checkbox next to its name, as well as an upper left-hand corner. Along the top, you'll notice the IAM menu bar. This menu bar provides the program menus for selected investment account features, such as adding and editing portfolios, entering security transactions or downloading from your financial institution, creating reports and graphs, and other functionalities. Just below this menu bar is the IAM toolbar. The IAM toolbar provides quick access to some of the Investment Account Manager's more common features, such as entering transactions, instantly updating market prices, refreshing the home page, backing up your investment data, using the portfolio setup wizard to create your portfolio, accessing websites of interest that you've created. Along the left-hand side, you'll see three areas: the portfolio snapshot, the year-to-date activity, and the portfolios. The portfolio snapshot provides for the currently active portfolio the current market value of the portfolio, the unrealized gains and losses, and the estimated income received. A hyperlink can be selected to create the matching report for this portfolio showing market valuations. The year-to-date activity area section for the currently active portfolio lists the investment income received, short-term and long-term capital gains, and a portfolio performance return for the portfolio year-to-date. Again, any of these links can be selected to create the matching report for the year-to-date period, in this case the sold securities. Finally, the portfolios area lists all the different portfolios being tracked in Investment Account Manager. Investment Account Manager allows for multiple portfolio management and easy aggregation of multiple portfolios in all of IAM reports. You can switch quickly and easily between portfolios by simply selecting the other portfolio in your list. The home page refreshes and now makes this the new active portfolio. Switching back to our sample portfolio. We'll now briefly review the various homepage tab views. The tab views provide information that brings forward for the user important information about their portfolios for easy understanding and analysis. Starting with the Portfolio Values tab, this tab accumulates holdings and values of portfolio based on the market prices stored in the current asset library. The Portfolio Value tab segregates securities according to type and lists for each type of the security, such as common stock and mutual fund, the quantity owned, the unit cost, the total cost, current market price, the current market value, and unrealized gains and losses and percent unrealized gains and losses. The Income Received tab lists the investment income and capital gain distributions received by securities in the current portfolio. Users can customize what's listed on this tab by selecting a date range, as they like, and the information shown provides the dividend and interest taxable received, the non-interest dividends and taxable received, short-term gain distributions, long-term gain distributions, and any other investment income. A report can be printed using the print button that illustrates the same information for review and printing purposes. Similarly, the Sold Security tab lists the important information regarding the sales of securities for a given portfolio, and this too can be customized for reporting period. Sales activity is separated based on short-term or long-term activity and includes information such as security name, acquisition date, sale date, quantity sold, cost basis, sale proceeds, and the realized gains and losses and percent gain loss. The Holding Summary tab provides information regarding portfolio holdings and portfolio activity. This tab shows the percentages each security represents of the total portfolio market value based upon percentage of ownership in relation to total market value. To the right is a portfolio holdings top 10 graph, which lists these positions, again, by percentage they represent in relation to the portfolio. Further below, the transaction activity shown on the home page provides a quick review of activity entered into the current portfolio. Activity is listed oldest to newest, with most recent activity shown. You can scroll this ledger up and down as necessary to review prior entries. Transactions tab also is further expanded for the same functionality to allow you review activity for date ranges you may prefer, last quarter, last year, so forth, and able to find transactions for easy review. The Fundamentals tab in Investment Account Manager organizes and lists key valuation ratios for the currently active portfolio. These ratios can help you analyze your holdings for better investing decisions. You can sort columns in ascending or descending order, and you can also print a report that illustrates these fundamental ratios for better analysis of your investments. Finally, the Allocation Summary tab compiles summary allocation information for the portfolio, identifying allocation by asset class, sector, size, and investment objective. This view is segregated into 4 additional tabs: assets, sector, size, and fund objectives. And it's important to note that in each allocation tab view, the composition of any funds held in the portfolio are taken into account. This means each fund's proportional impact, the amount invested in cash, bonds, stocks, a specific sector or size, will be included with any individual holdings, providing a total allocation analysis of your portfolio. We'll take a closer look at each of these on this. The Asset Allocation tab shows the current allocation percentage by asset types held in the portfolio and a comparison to the target allocations you have entered. Target allocations can be entered when creating a portfolio. Once your portfolio is created, your current allocation is derived automatically, and you can identify rebalancing needs. Notice again, if we double-click on a hyperlink, this will break out for us those investments in this portfolio that are domestic stock asset class, and identifies both the individual stock holdings as well as the contribution of any individual ETFs and mutual funds held. Again, this provides a total allocation of the asset class diversification allocation of your portfolio. The Sector Allocation Report or tab lists, again, the allocations by investment sector. 10 sectors are provided where a current allocation is compared to a target allocation and what the rebalancing may be needed. Again, we can drill down and find those individual names and individual stocks that overlap with individual names to see what the true allocation of your portfolio is based upon a portfolio sector. Size allocation lists the allocation percentages by size, and just as it is important to identify allocation of stocks by sector, investors need to consider the allocation of their common stock holdings based upon size, small, medium, and large. So this allocation view identifies the current allocation percentages in relation to your targeted goals, and again, the rebalancing. And again, the drill down is available for individual names and the ETFs and mutual funds that contribute to that particular size category. Finally, the Fund Objectives tab lists the top 10 investment objectives for mutual funds and exchange-traded funds held in the portfolio. Information shown in this view includes the investment objective, percent of funds, percent of portfolio, and market value. This concludes the brief review of the Investment Account Manager homepage. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. If you have any additional questions, you can contact us through our website, investmentaccountmanager.com. Thank you for your interest.